Your customer demands are like a moving target. For your manufacturing business to hit the mark, it needs innovative solutions that help you sell more and create great online experiences for your customers. But current solutions are too difficult and costly to integrate into your existing tools and technologies. Until now. With NTT Data's quick-to-value B2B commerce solution for the manufacturing industry, you have a tried and tested enterprise cloud solution that is scalable, responsive, and easily integrates into your existing SAP ERP system. NTT Data has combined its own manufacturing ERP and UX expertise, acquired with over 200 successful customer experience projects, with the power of SAP's Commerce Accelerator to build our SAP qualified solution, it.B2B commerce ready to run for manufacturing. Our quick-to-value package uses pre-built UI and functional components combined with an accelerated implementation methodology to deliver the solution in only 15 weeks and includes product content management that lets you quickly and easily add products, catalogues, and much more. We recognise that in your industry you need to consider complex product and pricing scenarios, you need to provide clear visibility of production and fulfilment progress, and you need to manage after-sale processes such as returns and issue management. Now your sales and operations teams can enjoy flexibility when updating sales or promotions, while your IT team will love how easy it is to integrate, implement and manage. And because it's cloud-based, it scales with your business. With a solution this robust, user-friendly and device-compatible, you can finally provide a better end-to-end experience for your customers and your team. To discover more about how we're helping manufacturers just like yours to digitally engage their customers, please get in touch with SAP's award-winning partner, NTT DATA Business Solutions, and we can explore your requirements further with the Discovery Assessment.